Howdy folks, welcome to Woody's Corner. It is March 11th and we're actually celebrating our daughter's birthday today, and we're going to be cooking a variety of foods. So one of the popular dishes will be the scallops, which we'll sear on the griddle outside. We're going to do chick on a stick. So these are chicken tenderloins that have been marinating in teriyaki marinade. And we'll thread those on these sticks. And I'll either do those on a charcoal grill, or I might actually just do them on the griddle. And then we're doing rack of lamb, which I'll do on the charcoal grill. We've got some in the foil balls here. That's cabbage balls, which I'm going to put on the smoker. So we're going to be doing a little bit of everything here, so tune in. All right, we got the rack of lamb going. Getting ready to flip it. Baking some of the chick on sticks. And then once we get that flipped, we'll start on the scallop sear here on our Members Mark griddle. And then of course in here, in the smoker, we've got our cabbage rolls all foiled up. Jesse, you got all your favorite meats. What was your favorite?
The scallops. I love the scallops.
We had a lot of scallops.
Nice and tender.
And our chick on the stick.
Chicken on a stick.
What are you drinking?
Margarita in a bag.
Well, happy birthday.
Thanks.
And you're still single. In case somebody watches, right?
Yep. Looking for a millionaire.
Okay. Gold digger!
Gold digger.